It's our little girl's first hiccups outside the womb.
Let's fix your hat, Pookie. There you go.
We don't know what to do, so we thought we'd videotape.